Hi guys! Happy Valentine's Day everyone! So welcome to our channel! Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! Happy Valentine's Day everyone! Sana lahat ay masaya kasi ngayon ay araw ng mga puso. Love, love lang. Let's spread love. And for today's vlog, guys, I will do another unboxing. Kung yung mga ibang mga love dyan, nakaka-receive ng mga flowers or chocolates, sa akin iba. Okay, so this gonna be my husband's Valentine's present. So, hindi ko alam kung anong laman nito. Mabigat siya. As usual, it is again a surprise gift from him. So, let's check all together guys kung ano yung laman ng box na to. Ito guys. Let's do all together. Let's check what is inside of this box. Samahan niyo akong mag-unbox kung ano yung gift niya. Baka house and lot. Or let me guess. Baka kasi mabigat siya eh. Baka kaldero. Or whatsoever. Okay, hindi ko na kayo pahihintayin. Check na natin kung ano yung laman. This is delivered from KNT. This is okay, so this is
I will show you.
No, I don't know.
Why am I living? You're a picture in a
So this is Xiaomi Youban Smart Air Fryer guys. So ito yung uso ngayon na na nireregalo ng mga asawa sa kanilang mga asawa.
You're a pixel on a screen.
So I'm gonna try it also later on to check whether it is good. So this is what we can do
Why
guys.
am I lost in a loveless fantasy? When
Ayan.
somebody real
We can put a lot of food. We can do it will make me cook easier.
But first you need to learn Chinese.
Yeah, but my problem is catalog is Chinese, not English. Wait lang.
And as far as I know, even machine is Chinese. I mean, yeah, we will convert it to English.
So I'm gonna try strawberry bun.
Efe. Cool.
So guys, ito pala, hihilain na, you will just pull it to open. So this is what is inside. This is where we can cook.
I think this is 1.6 liter.
Yeah, 1.6 on this. It is not that big one. So guys, samahan nyo ako. Magta-try ako ng potato. I'm gonna try to cook potato. So, ito yung loob mo. Again, this is Youban Smart Xiaomi Air Fryer. Kung may Xiaomi na cellphone, may Xiaomi rin na air fryer. Okay, I will try guys. I'm gonna try. Okay. So guys, this is the Xiaomi Youban Mi Smart Air Fryer. This is 2.6 liters, and it comes with this plug, so we need to buy this kind of adapter, yung with 3 holes, because we can't be able to use if we don't use this kind of adapter. So this is the power button, and this is the select section. If you wanna cook fish, you will just press this side. If you wanna cook pastry, and then meat, and then chicken, and then fries, and then the last one is shrimp. Okay, so I'm gonna try to cook potato. This is gonna be my first try, guys. So let's check whether it works. The cut potatoes, so let me try to use. So I'm gonna choose the fries. Let me try for maybe I know it should be less than. So let me try, guys, for 10 minutes kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano siya katagal lutuin. And then ayan, so 10 minutes. So now it is cooking. Yan. So yan siya, guys. On process na yung potato. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. And you see this one, guys, it is 200 temperature. So ayan, 200 temperature and 10 minutes. So since it is my first try, let's see if it is kung okay ba yung pagkaluto niya ng 10 minutes. Okay, so it is about to cook na. It is 4 minutes. 4 minutes left. So I am so excited for the outcome. I could smell the potato fries na. Ayan, 4 minutes left, guys. Do you know that I couldn't imagine that my husband bought me this one, and I asked him why did he buy this one, because he checked my page on FB, and he said I was searching for air fryer. That's why he ordered air fryer as a gift for Valentine's Day. Ayan, 3 minutes na lang, guys. Ayan, 3 minutes left. Ang kinagandahan nito, it is smart air fryer, touchscreen. And as you can see, I didn't use any oil, or I didn't put any oil on it while cooking. So let's check if it is good. These are more healthier kasi less oil. Mahilig yung asawa ko sa fry. That's why I think this is the best way to cook food for him, kasi no need to put oil. Ayan, guys, 2 minutes more. I can cook fish as well, but I won't cook kasi maano siya, maate siya. He doesn't want fish. Even the one I'm using for fish, hindi ko ginagamit sa pagluluto ng pagkain. Kasi ayan, 1 minute left. Next time I'm gonna try with chicken. 1 minute left. Ayan siya, guys. Gusto ko ng color white kasi clean siya, clean tignan. Ayan, almost done. Ayan. So, we will know once it is cooked or it is done when it alarms. So, let's check. Yay! Hindi pa siya naluto. Hindi pa siya naluto, guys. Hindi pa siya naluto. So, I think I need to put more. So, guys, I need to set another 10 minutes. Kasi hindi pa siya luto. Ayan, another 10 minutes. Hindi pa kasi siya luto eh. Kasi as in fresh kasi siya, fresh. So, another 10 minutes. So, let's see. Guys, 3 minutes left for the another 10 minutes. We will see if it is cooked already or not. Hopefully it is cooked already. So, I am so excited to taste na. I am so excited also to try pastry. And then I can't cook, I think, fish because my husband doesn't want fish. He doesn't like the smell. And whenever I cook fish, he's how do you call it? He's pissed off because of smell. He's saying it is disgusting. And then I was teasing him. I was telling it is good. It tastes good and it smells really good, especially the tuyo. he was saying whenever I cook fish, especially dried fish, he stays upstairs. Kasi ayaw niyang maamoy yung mabaho daw. Lahat na lang sa kanya mabaho. Ayan, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Hopefully it is cooked na. Hopefully it is cooked. So for the next vlog, I think I have to try for the pastry. Ayan guys. This is the best Valentine's gift I've ever had. Air fryer. I was expecting some material things like t-shirt or blouse, something like that, because he used to give me t-shirt or blouse or watch or jewelry, something like that. But this time this is the best because I can use it in kitchen. Ayan, it is on process na. It is almost done. So, once it alarms, again, it is finished. So, we're gonna check. Ayan, guys. So, it is cooked na. I think it is cooked. It's cooked already. Yeah. Is cooked already. So for the fresh potatoes, we have to set for 20 minutes to be able to cook it. Init. Perfect. Kasi hindi siya walang oil lang. Hindi siya fried. Yummy. Kids will like it. Oh. So this air fryer, guys, is perfect. It is really perfect. Look at the outcome. Ayan. Less oil. It is absolutely amazing. Yan. Yun yung gift ng aking husband. Thank you so much and happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you guys for watching.